Welcome to Natural Remedies.
When a child fails to gain weight at the same rate as others her age and gender, it's known as a failure to thrive. Yet, a parent might not be able to adequately tell if her child is actually suffering from this condition. After the rapid weight gain of the first year of life, a toddler will only gain around 3 to 5 pounds from years 1 to 2, making it seem like she might not be growing adequately. Here are some tips to make your baby gain weight according to age. Feed her frequently. Your 1-year-old has a small stomach, so she fills up quickly and eats less food per meal than an older child or adult. Boost her caloric intake by offering regular snacks 2 to 3 per day, recommends Children's Hospital Los Angeles, as well as 3 meals per day. The snacks should be spaced throughout the day so the child is hungry and more likely to eat them, and you should offer a variety of foods. Without these extra snacks, your child might not be getting enough food for proper weight gain. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. With each meal or snack, offer your 1-year-old high-calorie, nutrient-dense foods, which offer more calories and nutrients in less volume, meaning she'll get what she needs without filling up her small stomach too much. For example, Children's Hospital Los Angeles recommends offering your little one chopped, steamed broccoli with cheese sauce rather than a green salad for her serving of vegetables. Choking hazards. Certain foods that would normally be recommended for weight gain in teens and adults can be hazardous for a 1-year-old. For example, peanut butter is very nutrient-dense, but it poses a choking risk for a small child. Other foods that should be avoided at this age, despite their nutritional content, include cheese cubes, dried fruit, nuts, whole grapes and fish with bones. Talk to your doctor. If you're concerned about your 1-year-old's weight, make an appointment with your pediatrician. He might order blood, urine, or other tests to rule out any medical conditions, or decide to monitor your child's caloric intake. Share your concern with us in the comments section below. To get more health tips, please subscribe the channel.